Hi, welcome to another unpacking video. Today I'm going to unpack Georgio Armani Beauty box, and this is gonna be super fast video because it's just few items I got from Georgio Armani, but I guess it should be super cute inside. Yes, just like I expected. It's all like black and everywhere says Georgio Armani, like over here and here. It looks so cute. So this is the price tags, and this is what I got in this box. So this wasn't just a regular purchase from Georgio Armani website. I got an email with 40% of everything what we have in this like section available. I guess it was like all website for beauty, but so I actually checked only 40% off, and this was all of these items was 40% off. So this is my favorite Armani Code perfume, so I so much love it. I mean, I use it like many times before, but recently it's very hard to find it in the stores, like not stores that have it. So I finally found here, and it's 75 milliliters and for 40% off. So let's see what I paid for it. So this Armani Code was $55. The regular tag price was 90 something, 97 or something like that. So on 40% off it's 55. Okay, and this is actually very good because it's a big size. So 75, it's really good for $55 from Armani. Okay, so what else we have here in this cute box? Yeah, even this thing in a black color, so funny. Okay, and also I got two more items, one mascara and one lipstick. Let's see what is here. So this is, I believe it's mascara. Yes, Georgio Armani Black Extasy Total Effect Intensity Mascara. So this was like the best from this website according to their reviews and stuff, so I decided to get this one exactly. So this has this red tag with Georgio Armani, and let's see how it's inside. Oh no, oh yeah, I thought it's lipstick because it's like half red. Actually, I never got this before. I usually buy Dior. Yes, I usually buy Dior mascaras and Marc Jacobs. So this one is like first one from Georgio Armani, and this is super cute. It looks like it's lipstick, but it's not. So funny. So according to reviews, it's supposed to be very, very good. So we'll see. And this is, I guess, the lipstick. So it's Extasy, the same Extasy. So Excess Lip Color Shine. Okay, let's see, it's number 507. Okay, I so much like all these lipsticks. Actually, it's like the only one I'm using from beauty. Usually, from makeup, some mascara and some lipstick. It's all what I need. And this is supposed to be this color like light pinkish. This is like my color always. Yeah, it's super, super, super light pink, like here. Yeah, super light pink, and it's like a little bit shimmery, and most of all, it's so cute how it looks. Well, I also forgot to mention prices for the other two items. So this lipstick was $22.18, and the mascara was just $19.20. Okay, so thank you for watching my unpacking video from our Georgio Armani collection, Beauty Georgio Armani collection, and I'll see you soon with more videos. Next video is gonna be Kenzo unpacking. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.